All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Chevy Impala. It is the LT model. It's beautiful black with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, alloy wheels, only 11,000 miles in this vehicle, and best of all, minimal damage around the body. Let's go real quick, your front bumper. Fantabulous 2018 vehicle. Your hood looks good. Your fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Let's check out your tire thread. Just over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here. And your tire thread. Over 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You have power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. It does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. It is a push start system. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on. Any issues? Your mileage of 11,437. That's right, 37. Keeping it moving. That pretty much completes the tour. For in here, open up the trunk. Here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders coming around. Rear bumper looks pretty darn good. Your rear trunk space looks good. Does have a spare tire here with some tools, and then I did tuck away your owner's manuals right there. Deck lid looks good. This quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger side rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread. Over 930 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Some dirt, some smudge there. Is the other side of the rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC vents. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that one either. Your front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. And your tire thread. Over 730 seconds. Lights are working. Car is on. Things look beautiful. Folks, once again, this is a beautiful 2018 Chevy Impala LT model with only 11,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.